Hi and welcome. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to set up email and audio notifications so you stay updated on new orders and activities in real time. Let's get started. From your dashboard, go to Settings to Functionality. Here, you'll find options to manage both email and audio notifications. Start by checking that your email address is correctly set. Notification Reply to Email. This is the email customers will reply to when they receive automated messages like order confirmations or booking updates. By default, it's set to the account owner's email. Notification email addresses. Add up to 3 email addresses to receive alerts for every new order. Each email includes a PDF copy of the receipt. Overview Report email addresses. These are for summary reports daily, weekly, or monthly. You can add up to 4 email addresses to receive performance insights about your sales and orders. You can also choose which events trigger email alerts such as new orders, bookings, or age verification requests. Once you've set everything, click Save. Now let's configure your sound alerts. Choose a sound from the list, something that helps you easily distinguish the alert. Click Test Sound to hear it. Make sure your device volume is up and your browser allows sound playback. Next, set the repeat count to control how many times the sound plays. To stop the sound as soon as someone clicks the screen, enable Stop on Click. Finally, toggle audio alerts for new orders, bookings, or age verification requests. Once done, click Save. To confirm everything works, place a test order. This ensures you're receiving both sound and email alerts correctly. These notifications help your team stay alert and responsive, improving service speed and customer satisfaction. And that's it. You're all set up to receive real-time alerts by email and sound. Check out our other videos for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.